So new friends were wondering what a super monster is. So we decided to do a video on it. Here it is. What?
A bunch of Chase and Stella.
Subscribe to join our adventure.
Hooray!
We're super monsters. The super monsters.
Sundown.
Here's another one of Chase's favorite TV shows. This one is on kids' Netflix. It's called Super Monsters. It's an animated cartoon TV show about preschool kids. The cool part is, in the daytime, they're just normal kids. But once the sun goes down, they turn into scary monsters. Like Frankie's dad is Frankenstein, and Drax's dad is Count Dracula. We will go into more detail in another video. They go to preschool to master their special superpowers while preparing for kindergarten, because they're only in pre-K. Their teacher's name is Igo. He's the one who says, "Sun down," then the super monsters say, "Monsters up." At school they learn how to be good kids and good monsters. They learn stuff like sharing, taking care of your friends, and taking turns. We think it's a good show. Chase and Stella really like it. Also, we colored all of them on our color pages. You should check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.
Click the rainbow to subscribe. Bye. See you next time on the Chase and Stella.